Hey guys, I'm about to do an engine bay cleaning on the 2009 Honda Accord. I went ahead and covered all electrical with this plastic wrap. You can do it with the trash bag or anything like that. Basically just 3 parts. This right here next to the cold air intake, the battery, and that. You can also try to cover this your intake so no water could get in there. And yeah, this is with Purple Power. And well, let's get to it. So this is my Purple Power. You should see it's measured. It's supposed to be pure, but I just put water. The rest that's right there, I'm gonna just put water in it to do this engine. So my Purple Power now full with water, half water, half Purple Power. You just start trenching everything. You have to get everything nice and soaked. Just keep going everywhere. In case you're wondering, I did paint the engine cover. Alright, so we're just gonna let it sit for a little bit and we're gonna start agitating it. Okay, so I just got this bristle brush. I forgot to say, don't forget to do the top. Start agitating it. It wasn't that dirty that you could see. I could see the dirt coming off though. Look at this battery. So yeah, you just keep repeating that throughout the whole engine. And then you rinse it off. Now that you agitated everything, just get a low pressure hose. Just wet everything down. Make sure all your electrical is still sealed up. Just keep your hose moving so you won't put water into places that you don't want it in. And then with the microfiber towel, wipe it down after. I just got done wiping everything down. If you wanted to, you could just go over it again. If you really want that shine. But for me, that's okay. What I would do though, you get tire dressing, put it all over these black parts, plastic, and they'll make them pop. And they'll keep actually dirt out of them. So yeah, thank you for watching.